Assalamualaikum my dear students, I hope you all are doing good. I am your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Open page number 29. Mention the day Wednesday, 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 and date is 15th of July 2020. Types of nouns, collective noun. As we discussed in our previous lecture that what are collective nouns? A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people, a group of animals, or a group of things. Okay? And we have discussed in our previous lecture some common nouns, common collective nouns used for people, used for animals, and used for things. So today we will do some exercise work related to collective nouns. Question number 1 is use collective nouns from the box to complete the sentences. In the box we have some collective nouns and we have to write them in the correct sentence. The first one is a dash of locusts attacked a dash of cattle. Let me show you the picture of locusts. As you can see, it's a locust and it's a type of grasshopper. So locust is a flying insect. So for flying insect we use word swarm. For a group of flying insect we use a word swarm. Okay, next is cattle. Cattle is like cow, buffalo, sheep. These are called common name is cattle. They are called farm animals. So for farm animals we use word herd. Okay. Next is a dash of birds is always a beautiful sight. So for group of birds we can use word flock or we can use word flight. But here I am going to write word flight. Next is they welcome the chief guest with a dash of flowers. So as we learned in our previous lecture that we use bunch of flowers or bouquet of flowers for a group of flowers. So here we don't have a word of a bunch, so we will use bouquet. Write down bouquet over here. Next is as we drove down the countryside we saw a dash of sheep grazing in the fields. Grazing means eating grass in the fields. So we will use word flock. Flock of sheeps. Okay. Now turn the page. The dash of thieves has been arrested by the police. So we can use word pack of thieves or a gang of thieves. So in the box we have word gang over here. So that's why we will write word gang in this blank. Next is there we saw a man carrying a dash of cloths on his head. So let's see bundle of cloths. We will use collective noun bundle for cloths. Okay. Next is a dash of musicians was hired to perform at the party. So band of musicians. As you can see here we have word band. The last one is my friend has a fine dash of old stamps. Fine collection of old stamps. So write down the word collection over here. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.